Are you looking for the best stand mixers? In this video we will look at some of the best stand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Planetary Food Mixer. The Planetary Food Mixer is a kitchen appliance designed to assist in mixing, kneading, and blending ingredients for various culinary purposes. It operates on a planetary mixing action, where the mixing attachment revolves around the bowl while also rotating on its axis, ensuring thorough and consistent mixing. The manufacturer or seller of this planetary food mixer emphasizes several key points in their communication: custom duty and import tax. The seller states that they are not responsible for any custom duty or import tax that may be applicable when purchasing the planetary food mixer from an international location. Buyers should be aware of their country's customs regulations and potential additional costs. Customer satisfaction. The seller encourages customers to contact them directly if they are not satisfied with the purchased item. They request not to leave negative or neutral feedback without prior communication, as they claim to be able to resolve any issues or problems faced by the buyers. The seller admits that machine size and weight measurements are taken by hand and may have some deviation. They request buyers not to mind slight discrepancies in the specifications provided. Number 2. 12L Stand Mixer KitchenAid Food. As of my last update in September 2021, I do not have specific information about a product named 12L Stand Mixer KitchenAid Food, as it might not have been released or widely known at that time. However, I can provide a general overview of stand mixers and KitchenAid, which are well-known kitchen appliance brands. A stand mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance used for mixing, kneading, and whipping ingredients in various cooking and baking processes. It consists of a motorized base with a mixing bowl that locks into place, allowing hands-free operation while the mixer's attachments do the work. Stand mixers are popular among home cooks and professional chefs alike due to their convenience, efficiency, and ability to handle large batches of dough and batter. KitchenAid is a renowned brand that produces a wide range of kitchen appliances, including stand mixers. Established in 1919, KitchenAid is known for its high-quality, durable, and stylish products that have earned a reputation for being reliable and effective in the kitchen. The brand has become synonymous with stand mixers, which are considered one of their signature and most sought-after products. If 12L Stand Mixer KitchenAid Food refers to a new or updated model of KitchenAid stand mixer with a 12-liter capacity, it suggests that it is a larger and more robust version than their standard mixers. The increased capacity would make it suitable for commercial use or for those who frequently prepare large quantities of food. Number 3. 7Aldo Mixer Automatic Standing Mixer. The 7Aldo Mixer Automatic Standing Mixer is a cutting-edge kitchen appliance designed to simplify and enhance the process of mixing dough and other culinary tasks. Combining innovative technology with a sturdy and efficient build, this mixer caters to the needs of both amateur and professional bakers and chefs. With a generous 7-liter mixing bowl, this standing mixer can handle large quantities of dough and batter, making it ideal for commercial use in bakeries or for preparing substantial batches in a home kitchen. The mixer boasts advanced automatic features that streamline the mixing process. It comes with multiple preset programs for various recipes, allowing users to select the appropriate settings with ease and precision. Equipped with a robust motor, this dough mixer can effortlessly knead and mix dense doughs, ensuring consistent results and saving valuable time and effort. The mixer provides a range of speed options, allowing users to control the mixing process according to the specific requirements of different recipes. This flexibility ensures optimal results for various types of dough and batter. The 7Aldo Mixer Automatic Standing Mixer is constructed from high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. It is designed to withstand heavy usage and maintain performance even after extended periods of use. The mixer features an intuitive control panel with a clear display, making it easy to operate for users of all skill levels. Its user-friendly interface enhances efficiency and minimizes the learning curve. Number 4. Food Mixer Best Quality 3-in-1 Multifunctional. The Food Mixer Best Quality 3-in-1 Multifunctional is a versatile and high-quality kitchen appliance designed to meet the diverse needs of cooking enthusiasts. This innovative kitchen tool combines the functionalities of 3 essential kitchen appliances, making it a space-saving and convenient solution for various culinary tasks. The food mixer features a powerful motor and multiple speed settings that allow it to efficiently mix and blend ingredients. Whether you're preparing cake batter, whipping cream, kneading dough, or making smoothies, this mixer is equipped to handle a wide range of tasks. The mixer's robust construction ensures stability during operation, making it easy to achieve consistently smooth and well-mixed results. The Food Mixer Best Quality 3-in-1 Multifunctional boasts a sturdy and durable build, constructed from premium materials to withstand regular use in the kitchen. The appliance is designed with safety features to prevent overheating and ensure user protection, providing peace of mind while handling demanding mixing tasks. Number 5. 40L Commercial Electric Dough Mixer. As of my last update in September 2021, I do not have specific information about a product called 40L Commercial Electric Dough Mixer, since it may be a product released or introduced after my last update. However, I can provide you with a general overview of what a commercial electric dough mixer typically entails based on the information available up to that point. A 40L commercial electric dough mixer is likely a heavy-duty and professional-grade kitchen appliance designed to handle large-scale dough mixing tasks in commercial settings, such as bakeries, restaurants, or industrial kitchens. The 40L in the name refers to the capacity of the mixer's bowl, indicating that it can handle a dough batch of up to 40 liters. As mentioned, the mixer has a spacious bowl that allows it to handle significant quantities of dough at a time, making it suitable for high-volume production. Being an electric mixer, it is powered by electricity, which ensures consistent and powerful mixing capabilities. These mixers usually come with multiple speed settings to accommodate various types of dough, from soft and delicate pastry dough to stiffer and heavier bread dough. Commercial dough mixers are built to withstand rigorous use and are constructed with robust materials like stainless steel. Many commercial mixers come equipped with safety features like overload protection and emergency stop buttons to prevent accidents and protect the equipment.